Hello children, welcome to class 5 EVS lecture. Okay children, so we are going to start with a new lesson, and the name of the lesson is Human Animal Relationship. Now we have many animals around us. They are helpful to us in many different ways. They provide us food, they provide us protection from the wild animals or from the robbers and all. Then they are friends. So they provide us with medicines, they provide us food. We have a deep relationship between the animals, so we have to take proper care of them and protect them from all the harm. So animals are useful to us in many ways. Some means are used as a some animals are used as a means of transport. So as discussed earlier, that animals help us in many different ways. Now in the olden days when there were no vehicles, so animal was the main source of transport. People used to ride on animals and go to another place or transport from one place to another. Then when the wheel was discovered, then the tangas, bullock carts, these vehicles were prepared, and for to pull these animals, they were to pull these vehicles they used the animals. So animals was a means of transport in the olden days. During the before the tangas and bullock carts, all the maharajas and all, they used to travel on animals. They used to ride on animals. For the wars also they were using the animals. To keep some, we keep some animals as pets. We have some animals as a pet animals. So all of us know which are the pet animals. Yes, dog, cat, rabbit, these are all the pet animals, and we keep them in a house as we love them, as we care them. Yes, so we all of us, like, if dog is not possible, at least we keep a cat in a house. Then we eat food from many animals. We get so many food from the animals, like chicken, meat, eggs, milk, then various milk products that are prepared from your milk, your cheese, your butter, your curd. These are all made from the milk. So we get food also from many animals. So in the picture you can see, first in the olden days or in the villages today also, horses, bullock carts, bullocks, they are being used to pull the bullock carts and tangas. And in the second picture you can see animals in our daily life. So we have cows, we have horses. Next is, can you imagine human life without animals? Yes, we eat only plants and plants and plants all the time. So रोज हम सिर्फ सब्जी चपाती यही खाएंगे. We got fed up in this time of corona also, when people had stopped eating chicken, eggs and all. So we were fed up of eating those things. Every day हम बोल रहे थे क्या घास फूस खानी है, कुछ अलग ही नहीं है. तो वहाँ से हमारा खाने से ही शुरू हो गया कि we want something different in our food. Yes? उसके बाद दूध कहाँ से आता है हमको? Yes, it comes from the animals. And animals are only not there, from where are we going to get the milk? Then pulling the bullock carts, pulling the tangas, ये कहाँ है? फिर villagers will have a lots of problem to pull these vehicles. They have to pull by the human beings. Yes? So, and your sweaters, your warm clothes, what you are wearing, it is prepared from the wool of the animals like sheep, yak, goat, camel. So all these your daily needs which you need, they are obtained from animals. So animals play an important role in our life. So if animals are not there, human beings' life is impossible. Next, animals play a very important role in our lives. Human beings are dependent on animals for much more. As we have as we had discussed before, that we need animals for so many things. So human beings are dependent on animals for many things. Next we have cats and dogs provide us companionship as pets. हम जब बोर हो जाते हैं, घर में अकेले रहते हैं, तो हम किसके साथ खेलते हैं? पेट्स के साथ ही। यस, हमारे घर में अगर डॉग रहता है या कैट रहती है या रैबिट्स रहते हैं, सो व्हेन वी फील लोनली और व्हेन वी आर बोर्ड, वी गो एंड प्ले विद दिस एनिमल्स. सो दे आर गिविंग अस अ companionship. Farm animals such as hens give us eggs and meat. Yes. So hence they provide us with the eggs and meat. We make butter, ghee, cheese from milk obtained from the cows and buffaloes. ये हमको तो रोज़ के खाने में चाहिए ना. बटर को तो सबको अच्छा लगता है, घी तो रोज़ के खाने में चाहिए, चीज़ खाने के लिए भी सबको अच्छा लगता है. But where do this come? This comes from the cows and buffaloes. We rear sheep and yaks for the wool and fur. So हमारे जो स्वेटर्स, हमारे शॉल, मफलर्स, हैंड ग्लोव्स, सॉक्स, ये किससे बनते हैं? They are made from the fibers or wool and fur of these animals. So you can see in the first picture the milk and the milk products, your milk, your lassi, your butter, your cheese, your ghee. These are all milk products. Second picture you can see the man removing the fur of the sheep. Yes? And the last picture you can see how the man is so attached, that old person over there, that he is carrying two dogs in his hand, one in his arm and one in his hand. So they are his best friends. Yes, he is allowing the dog and to go and sit on his head, means he is his best friend, he is the best companion, who always shares his happy moments or sad moments with the dogs. That's why the dogs are so close to him. जैसे हम हमारे फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करते हैं, same way he is also. Fish and other marine animals are an important source of food. Yes, we obtain the food from the marine animals, from the aquatic animals also. Yes. Your shoes and belts are made from the leather which is obtained from the dead skin of the animals. Skin of the dead animals. So आप जो रोज़ स्कूल को शूज़ पहनते हो, बेल्ट डालते हो, आपकी कभी कभी लेदर की बैग भी होती है. So from where this leather is obtained? It is obtained from the skin of the dead animals. जब एनिमल्स को हम मीट के लिए काटते हैं या कोई मर जाता है, तो उसका स्किन जो होता है, it is used to prepare these articles. Animal dung is used as manure and also burnt as fuels. Now in the villages there are lots of animals. Yes, so उनका डंक भी बहुत होता है. एनिमल्स की जो पॉटी रहती है, काउ बफेलोज की, that is called as a dung. Okay, that is cow dung. So that cow dung is used as a manure. Manure means what? It is a food of nutritional food given to the plants to grow properly. जैसे सिटीज़ में अगर आप देखते हो तो वो फर्टिलाइजर्स डालते हैं जो केमिकल से बने हुए होते हैं, बट इन विलेजेस दे यूज़ दिस काउ डंग, क्योंकि गोबर उनके घर में या बिकॉज ऑफ द काउज एंड बफेलोज द गोबर इज लॉट्स, so that gobar is continuously deposited on one or the other, and then after few days it is converted into manure, and that can be used for plants. And you must also have seen that they burn the dung as a fuel. For example, you can see in the picture, okay, it's not that. So जो हम वो गौरी बनाते हैं डंग से, विलेजेस में अगर आप देखा हो ऐसे राउंड पैनकेक्स बनाते हैं उसके, दे ड्राई इट इन द सन एंड दे यूज़ इट फॉर बर्निंग एज अ फ्यूल. Then walls and the floors of the houses in villages are coated with the cow dung to keep away insects. Now see here in the next picture, you can see the woman over here. She is coating the house with the help of the cow dung. उसका कलर ही देखो ब्राउन कलर है, उसी में आपको समझ में आता रहेगा कि it is covered or it is made plain with the help of a cow dung, because this cow dung has a medicinal property. अगर आप विलेजेस में जाते हो तो जिस दिन कुछ अच्छा त्यौहार होगा तो उस दिन भी वो ये काउ डंग से अपना थोड़ा सा एरिया शेयर कर लेते हैं. They use this cow dung, so it has a medicinal property also, and it is used in pujas also. So cow dung is used to avoid the insects coming in their house. Because of the smell or because of this medicinal property, insects do not come into the house. So in this picture you can see the food which is acquired from the aquatic animals, the prawns, the shells and all. Second one, your belts and shoes which are made from the skin of the dead animals. Next is bullocks and oxen help farmers to plow the field. So in the cities you can see that there are tractors, people use tractors to plow the field, but in the villages they do not have the tractors over there. So what do they use? They use the bullocks and ox to plow the fields. Some animals such as cats and snakes eat rats, which can cause the damages in the house and storehouses. Now in your houses you have a storage of grains, or in the storehouses we have huge number of sacks which contains the grains. Now what do rats eat? Rats eat grains. So to protect them from these rats, the cats or the storekeeper keeps a cat. He cannot keep a snake, so he keeps a cat over there as a pet animal who runs away the rats and avoid the damage of the grains in the storehouse or in the house. So if you have a cat in your house, you will see that never a rat will come into your house, because rats are scared of cats and snakes. And all of us know that snakes eat the rat. वो तो कहाँ भी खेतों में घूमता है, तो वहाँ जहाँ भी उसको रैट मिल जाती है वो उसको खा लेता है. Thus humans depend on animals for many things. Food. The first food item is milk. Animals like cows, buffaloes, goats, sheep and even camel milk is consumed by humans. Okay, so all these animals give us milk. Many dairy products like curd, cheese, sweets, ghee and butter are made from milk of the cows and buffaloes. Next, food. Meat. The flesh of chicken, goat, sheep, fish, turkey are eaten by many non-vegetarians. So as you can see in the pitch slide, chicken, goat, and the last one is a turkey bird. So its flesh is also eaten by the non-vegetarian people, those who eat the non-veg. Eggs. Many people eat eggs which are laid by the birds, hen and duck. So birds lay the eggs. Do animals lay the eggs? No. Honey. Honey from the beehive of the honeybee is used for eating and has a medicinal values. So अभी भी जब कोरोना चल रहा है तो आप देखते रहोगे कि आपके घर में भी आपको हनी खिलाते रहेंगे, because it increases your immune system, it makes your body to fight against the diseases. So it is used to lose the weight also, and it has some medicinal values that protects your body. So what medicinal value does it have? Honey is used in medicinal settings to treat the wounds because it's been found to be effective germ killer and also aids the tissue regeneration. So if you have any wound, अगर आपको कहाँ लग गया होगा तो आप रोज़ 1 स्पून तो हनी खा if you eat, then it will kill the germs which has entered into your body through that wound, and it helps in building the tissues of your body. Then honey is also used to salve to heal the burn. अगर आपको जल जाता है कहाँ, चटका लग जाता है, so apply a honey on that, it will heal your burns. And also in the cases of small children, honey is given to the children to reduce the cough. उनको जब cold हो जाता है तो उनको cough हो जाता है, so to reduce that cough, honey is given to them. So now we will see one video. Animals those who give milk are called as milk animals.
Sheep and yak are all milk animals. Some animals, like hens and ducks, give us eggs. Some people eat the meat of animals, like chicken, goat, and turkey. Help us to move from one place to another. Animals like donkey and camel carry load from place to place. They are called beasts of burden. The camel is also called the ship of the desert. Did you know that a camel can drink 113.4 liters of water in 10 minutes? Camels can go for 10 months without a sip of water, as long as they can get sufficient moisture from green vegetation and dew. Animals like horse, bullock and camel also draw carts to take goods and people from one place to another. Reindeer draws a cart called sledge. Help with man's work. A lot of our food country. This is where rice and other cereals are grown. Animals like buffalo, bullock and ox are used to plow the fields so that the soil is ready for the seeds to be planted. Products we get from animals. In winter, we wear woolen clothes. These clothes are made from wool. Sheep and yak give us wool. Wallets, bags and shoes are all made from leather. When animals like cow, goat, buffalo and sheep die, their skin is removed and leather is made from it. Animals protect us. Thieves and robbers may enter our house and farms. Dogs guard our house and farms. A dog is called man's best friend. Recap. Uses of animals.
Okay children, so in this video you saw how
Monster Math presents Addition Book.
So children, in this lesson video you saw how the animals are useful to us. So here we end with our today's lecture. Thank you.